Hi, I'm Laurent, founder and CEO of Edge Overland. And today, I want to show you how quick it is to actually open up the Explorer One rooftop tent. First, you need to grab the telescopic ladder that you received together with your rooftop tent. You just put the ladder into its hook and you pull it down like this. Once it's completely extended, you take the top part, you push in the buttons, and you make the ladder shorter, adjusting it to the height of your car. Then you check at the bottom that the ladder is firmly planted on the ground. At this point, you can actually start using it. Next, we will go up and open up the rooftop tent. We will climb up the ladder. We take the first latch and we open it up like so. And we do the same thing on the other side. Once the latches are open, we just need to push the rooftop tent up like so. And as you can see, it opens up by itself. Next, we can take this handle that will be used for closing. And what we like doing is actually throwing it over so it's no longer in our way. Here we have an elastic. This elastic needs to be put down here. We usually hook it up into the C-slot and we do the same thing on the other side. Next, we have the poles. We take the poles out of the cover and we take two poles from the set. Here, you would need to put in the pole into the hole and into an angle, as you can see here. So it's not completely straight, it's at an angle going that way. You make sure that the end of the pole also goes into the hole at the back and it's completely secure. Now you just bring it up and you hook it in like this. You do the same exact thing also on the other side. You put in the pole, you bring it up, you hook it in. Next, you can climb up in the tent and you can do the same procedure on this side. But here, we will use the center hole. So this would almost be perfectly straight. You bring it up, you hook it in, and you can see it gets extended. And we do the same exact thing also on the other side. Putting the pole into position, bringing it up, and hooking it in. And at this point, you're done. All you need to do now is, let's say, take your shoe holder, if you're using this side of the tent, and then putting it up here. Or if you're using the side of the tent, then you will definitely put it up into this area here. And that's it. Your tent is now ready to be used.